Hey, Probstats kids, this is Dr. Natalia here with Week 18 Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Pause the video and answer the following three questions for your warm-up log. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at your guided notes for today. There are several examples I'll be going over. This is the first one. If you don't have a copy of this, you're welcome to go ahead and write this on a separate piece of paper, which is totally fine. All right, so let's take a look at expanded form. So the value of each position in a Hindu Arabic number are in powers of 10. These are the powers of 10. As you guys know, we have been working converting this from base of 10 to any other bases the last 2 days. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you watch the video for week 18, Monday and Tuesday. The rule that allows a string of digits from 0 to 9 to represent any counting number requires that each digit in a particular place of the string is multiplied by the place's appropriate power of 10. Explicitly writing out this multiplication for a number expressed in a place value system, this is called numbers in expanded form. So let's take a look at this example. I want you guys to write this binary number out in expanded form. So first we need to talk about the positions of this. So remember, it's a base of 2. So you're going to have 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, or I'm sorry, 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fifth, and 2 to the sixth. So then from there, you go 1 times 2 to the 6th, 0 times 2 to the 5th, 1 times 2 to the 4th, and then add everything together. And just remember, your very last one is going to be 1 times 2 to the 0 is just simply 1. Grab your calculator, multiply it out, add everything together, and you will get a number for that. Example 3, let's write this in expanded form. So looking at this, your base is 8. So 8 to the 0, 8 to the 1, 8 squared, 8 to the third. This is what you should have. And this is your expanded form. Okay, go over to the right side. So now we're going to go ahead and revisit. We're going to write this right here, which we just did in example 1 in base 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the expanded form, which we did before. And then we're going to go ahead and perform the actual multiplication and addition indicated, which means I'm going to have to multiply it. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give me a 64. Same thing with 2 to the 5th is a 32. 2 to the 4th is a 16. 2 to the 3rd is an 8, etc. And then you're going to multiply it out and add everything together. And your final answer is 89. So therefore, this entire thing here is equal to 89. All right, let's take a look at example 3. We're going to write this one in base 10. So once again, we want to expand this out. So base 8 to the 0, 8 to the 1, 8 squared, 8 to the third. And then perform the indicated multiplication and addition. Multiply it out. Add everything together, and you should get 1,229. So your answer should be in this format. All right, so I'm going to go to the back, the second page over here. Example 4, we're going to do the same procedure, but we're going to try different bases. So here it's a base of 5. So remember, you're going to have 5 to the 0, 5 to the 1, 5 squared, 5 to the third. Multiply it out, and your answer should be as follows. Example 5. So then what if I actually gave you guys, like, instead of numbers, I give you letters. So your numbers are from 0 to 9. To anything after that, like 10 is an A, 11 is a B, C is going to give you a 12. And so in this situation, you have a CA. So CA is going to be a 12, 10, 7. Your base here is 16. So 16 to the 0, 16 to the 1, 16 squared. Multiply it out. add everything together, and your total here is 3,239. So in summary, you perform the following steps. You write the numbers in expander form. You perform the indicated multiplication and addition, and the answer is in the form of base 10. All right, example 6. Now I want to kind of work backwards with this, okay? So by doing this, what you're going to be doing is that you start off with base of 8. So you have 8 to the 0, 8 to the 1, 8 squared, 8 to the third, which is 1, 8, 64, I think it's a 500 and 512. Noticing that your number here, the biggest number you have, is 59, you are actually going to stop right there. You're going to use 8. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 59 divided by 8, which will go into it 7 times. And you're going to repeat the process. Next number is 1. 1 times 3 is 3, which is 0. And so your answer is just going to be the quotient of what you have. So it will be 73 with a base of 8. And so therefore your answer will be written in this format. Same thing over here with 44. You're going to be dividing it. And therefore your answer is going to be right here. Example 8. And lastly, your answer is right here. Example 9. Answer is right here. Okay, so in summary, make sure you guys take a look at the 2, 3, 4, 5 different steps. And next, you're going to go ahead and fill out this worksheet. And also this one here, which is going to take us into our final project on careers involving math. All right, you guys, as always, I hope you have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.